It's amazing to wake up every day and not deal with a cracking neck and deal with a cracking shoulder. It's amazing to be able to work or just drive to work and not be distracted by pain. Or before, pain was just something on my shoulder that was always there. And it's just a relief to have it gone. I'm Cinna, I'm a software engineer. I live in the San Francisco Bay Area. So about 3 years ago, I started getting a lot of pain. This started just with the trip to Napa. There was a long drive, and when I came back, suddenly my legs started hurting, and this quickly spiraled to my neck starting to hurt. Just everything felt very tight. It felt uncomfortable to sit. It felt uncomfortable to stand. There was tingling. Eventually this moved to my neck. The feeling was that I couldn't, turn my neck. I couldn't look to the side. Every time I tried to, my neck would crack and there would be a lot of pain. It pretty much hurt to stand, it hurt to sit, it hurt to lay down. I was in pain all the time. Eventually it got even worse. It started going to my hands. Whenever I would try and type, I would literally feel, tingling pain going down my arms. It felt like it might be carpal tunnel, but that didn't seem to quite explain everything because the pain was elsewhere as well. And the pain was all sorts of pain, which made me really scared because I didn't know if this was a muscular pain or if this was something else, if it was nerve damage. So I was also scared all the time. Yeah, so I tried a bunch of things. This went on for about 6 months and I was really frustrated. This was a daily thing. I couldn't sleep, I couldn't, work properly, but I still had to work. When this wouldn't get better, which it usually would in the past, I started going to a lot of doctors. I saw multiple doctors, multiple specialists. I saw the acupuncturist, chiropractor, physical therapist, and just nothing would help. We even have a ergonomics person at work who comes in and adjusts your desk and your chairs. That didn't help. The most surprising thing that I found when I went to see all these doctors and physical therapists was that I was in a huge amount of pain, but when I would talk to them about it, they would almost brush it off as something easily solved with muscle relaxants, painkillers, simple stretches, and just simple ergonomics. But I think the biggest disconnect was that the actual process to solve these problems was much deeper than what they could understand and what the advice that they could provide me could even solve. So I think going to all these places, I think the biggest problem was that they just weren't equipped to help me figure out how to deal with this pain, because it wasn't just something that a pill could solve or a simple stretch could solve. It was much more complex than that. Eventually, one of my friends, she suggested coming to see Matt at Upright Health. It's worth a shot. It's something new. I might as well try it. My friend had a lot of good experiences and it helped her a lot, so I decided to come by. Just within the first session, I immediately found that the things that Matt had me do made a huge difference. For example, he just had me do some simple muscle exercises for my back, and suddenly I could stand up straight. So when I first started the sessions with Matt, I quickly realized that there was a lot of things about my body that I didn't understand and I wasn't in tune with. I've spent so many years in front of the computer in front of the TV since I was a kid. And in the last few years, I've spent, so much time just glued to staring at my phone. I didn't realize how much I was zoning out and not paying attention to my body. My body was telling me, hey, when you sit like that for hours, it hurts. And I learned over the years to just pretty much ignore those signals. So it wasn't just a matter of working with Matt to train my muscles. It was also working with Matt to understand how to listen to my muscles. And this is something that the doctors, couldn't teach to me. They didn't know how to teach this to me. So I wasn't able to get this from all the physical therapists and traditional forms of healing, these things that people usually go through. The journey to getting better was not just exercising, it was also understanding my body and also, really importantly, understanding my patterns of how I live my life day to day. So eventually I had to change around the way I sleep, the way I work, the way I take breaks, and the way I exercise. So I would say it was a whole life transformation rather than just doing one thing to fix the problem. So one of the biggest things I had to learn about my body was that some of the natural instincts that I felt like I needed to do when I was experiencing pain were actually the opposite of what I wanted and needed to do. So for example, when my neck was hurting, my natural instinct was to kind of leave it alone and not move it and hope that it would get better on its own. But it turned out when I came to see Matt that what I actually needed to do was exercise the muscles in my back. And just by doing certain types of exercises and activating the correct muscles, that actually just turned the whole neck pain around and improved it very, very quickly. So over time, I had to learn to understand not just how to control the pain in my body, but also how to do certain movements that would counteract that pain. There was many points where I thought that I would have to live with the pain forever. I didn't think it was really fixable. I thought maybe I could make it more tolerable, but it would never really go away. What I would tell someone in my shoes is that it's actually a lot more solvable than it seems. A lot of these things actually are they're just due to very maybe obvious seeming things like getting more sleep, not spending too many hours in the same position. And those might seem obvious, but to actually execute it, it's way harder than it seems. But I would tell someone in my shoes that it is possible, but you have to understand that it's a much more complex process than you might naively think. It took a lot of years to get to that level of pain, and it's going to take some time to undo that and reverse those habits. I think the most important thing is I've learned to respect my body. I've learned to give it what it needs and understand what it actually needs. Before, I kind of ignored a lot of the signals, I ignored a lot of the pain. I just assumed that, phones are made to be looked at all day and therefore I should be able to. So I don't do those things anymore. I give my body the basic needs that it requires, and as a result, it treats me a lot better as well. I feel 100% better than I used to. I don't deal with the daily constant aches and pains. If I do notice something kind of going in the wrong direction, I know what to do to bring it back. The last year, not having this pain anymore is amazing. It's amazing to wake up every day and not deal with a cracking neck and deal with a cracking shoulder. It's amazing to be able to work or just drive to work and not be distracted by pain. Or before, pain was just something on my shoulder that was always there. And it's just a relief to have it gone. And remember, pain sucks, life shouldn't.